Well, here we are again. Welcome back, YouTube, to JJ's Shop. I'm Jordy.
I'm Jeffrey.
And today we're going to put the ignition EIS, the EIS, back in the 2002 C240. Our last video, Jeffrey had pulled this out. There's, I believe there's footage on that, right, Jeffrey?
Yep.
Is there content on that? So there's
Yep.
content coming with Jeffrey battling the EIS removal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, is that good? Well, you won. It's
Oh
here.
yeah.
Yeah.
I won.
So,
It might have given me some battles.
there you go. But he did win. It's right here.
I won the war.
So we have a we opened it up. It's that's, I don't know, is that going to be on this video or the next video or
The last one.
anyway? Yeah, Jeffrey will let you know when that's coming up. But what we've decided is there wasn't really any smoking guns inside of here. So we don't really know what we did, but we did pull it apart and we cleaned up a few connections here and stuff. And Jeffrey did find a corroded plug on the light switch. And that's a big light switch, right, Jeffrey? Is that a big one, or like in the SLK 230? Like
Maybe.
a full body lighting? Is it huge, or is it just a
The
little light
plug?
switch? No, the light switch
Yeah.
in the Mercedes, the C240.
It's, you know.
I'm gonna see it, aren't I?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so I'm not quite sure what disaster awaits me in the C240. Jeffrey tends to go in there with a chainsaw.
No.
And, really?
I laid it out
You,
so I'll
you need me to
remember.
bring up the electrical plugs in blue? Okay. All right. We won't go there.
Don't go
But
there.
yeah, anyway. Jeffrey's nickname, Edward Scissorhands.
No.
So if you haven't seen that movie, go ahead and check that out. That's Jeffrey. Anyway, okay, I'm sorry. We're done. We're done with that, Jeffrey. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out there and plug this in and see if we've made any difference whatsoever. And then also, Jeffrey, we do have a long enough wire that we could run from a 12-volt source to, because the fuel pump is still open back there, right? We could check that.
Yeah,
We could run 12 volts to that fuel pump and see if we at least got a working fuel pump, right? Yeah.
Okay.
We could make one real quick here, a jumper wire.
We could make a jumper wire.
Yeah, because we do have a 12-volt source up in the dash that is hot underneath
We do.
by the stereo. So we could wire this to that
Yep.
and then run this over to the fuel pump and see if we have anything happening back there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Where's our alternative lifestyle pliers? Did I put them back? Oh, that'll work. That'll work perfect right there, Jeffrey. Perfect.
Yep.
All right. Let's do that. Look at that. I'm so good. I'm so good, Jeffrey.
How come you're not a Sparky?
I don't like electrical. Edward's
Yeah.
scissor hands.
Okay.
I don't like electrical.
Why not?
I don't know. I can't see it work. It's magic. Electrical is magic. You can't see it work.
Yeah, but electrical is like, you know, water and air. It has flow, right?
It's magic. I don't know how it flows. And not all of it flows. And it can't flow
No,
all the time. And it can't
it
flow.
won't flow a little.
You only want it to flow when you want it to flow. And there's
Exactly.
things in there that make it flow.
Unless
when
it's
you
a
want it to flow.
constant 12 volt, right?
Then you don't want, and there's resistors and there's
Exactly.
switches and I don't like it. Okay, are we ready? Are we recording?
Yep.
Okay. We've been recording that whole thing. Did you record that whole rant right there?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry about that. I don't like electrical. I'm not Sparky. All right, let me grab my specs over here, Jeffrey.
Yep.
Can a couple fellers get lucky this time?
I hope so.
Let's see what we got here. Okay. Wow.
You want me to do it? Because I know how it goes? Or are you just going to plug it in?
Yeah, probably. This is the light switch here.
What?
This is the light switch. Yep. Okay. Okay. Well, it doesn't look bad back
There,
here,
but
but
the
the
other
plug
one.
is pretty bad.
Oh, yeah. Got some
Oh
corrosion
yeah,
here.
yeah. It's definitely got a couple spots there. That might.
About six holes around
Yeah,
that.
yeah. That might be. That
Smoking
certainly
gun?
might be part of our issue. Oh, do we have a little mouse house in there still? Or is,
What?
oh no, that's just.
That's just
Oh,
the-
okay. That's just insulation behind
Yeah.
it. What's that big aluminum bracket?
That's a good question.
What is that?
Because there's another one over here.
Wow. Oh, is that where that panel all screws to right there that you took down? That. Hope you remember how this all goes together.
Sure.
I wasn't here when you did it. Edward Scissorhands.
Hey, now.
Okay. All right. Okay.
It got done.
It did get did. That's for sure.
Yep.
All righty. Yeah. Go ahead and plug that in, and probably going to need to plug that in too. I think it goes through that stuff. But let me grab some cleaner and let's clean that plug real quick.
First. Both ends.
And then just set that over there somewhere. There you go.
Maybe.
Yeah. That'll work. Okay.
Stay.
Oh, can you pop the hood?
Maybe if I had
We're gonna need to pop the hood.
needle noses. I got needle noses.
Yeah.
I took mine back in my tent that I used.
Okay. Is there some over there? Is there anything over there?
No.
Okay. All right. What's that spoon over there? What's in the back seat?
Huh? Battery.
Why do we have a battery?
Because it's from this.
Oh, from out front?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember? Because I put Blue's battery in.
Oh, that's
See
right.
if that would help or do anything.
Okay. Is it still in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, because
Well, we could have put this on boil while it was
could
sitting.
have. Is it different? Yeah. Is it fixed? I don't know.
It's different.
It's different though.
May not be fixed. All right. Just a minute. All righty.
Get down here.
There we go. Good job, Jeffrey.
That's how you do it.
Good job. All right. Wow.
Well,
We got a pretty good windstorm going here today on the Camino of Islands. But so if our audio isn't so good, we apologize. All righty.
All
Got
right.
everything plugged. Oh, I forgot to get the spray. Just a sec here.
yep.
Whoopsie.
Come on now.
Not quite sure. Why haven't we moved this car closer to the shop?
No, it doesn't run. So why move it? Right?
And then give the plug a little wipe after you spray it. Blow out the.
Yep.
There you go. You always get scared when you get a little of that juice on you there, Jeffrey.
Well, I do have a cut right there.
Oh, yeah, that'll help you find those, that's for sure.
Well,
Yeah,
had some ointment on it last night.
Good man. Good man. How'd you do that? Stripping metal?
I don't know.
All right.
It's one of those things that I noticed it. I was like, how did
Just
that happen?
Yeah, I got you. Gotcha.
Does that happen to you?
Never.
No?
Yeah.
Oh,
Always.
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 Can't take you anywhere.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's light switch.
I don't think we have to hit that one.
Just
That one
in
looked
case.
pretty good. All right.
We're here. Right? We're
Yeah.
here. Might as well. Right? Okay. There we go.
Perfect. So, just a little note right there. It's a little lever on all these.
Yep.
Just about every single switch on Mercedes. They got a little lever and that locks everything. It's pretty cool. Once you figure them
different.
out. Yeah, different.
Than everyone else. Okay. Now, let's see if I can remember how to do this.
Yeah.
Start with the ones I know, maybe. Sure.
I'm gonna try and get in here and film the.
Let's see. Okay. That's how it went. Black one goes.
They should all go in only one way,
Exactly.
one position. However, in the computer on the outside, there's a couple of plugs that were the same type of plug, different color wires, and they're both at opposite ends of the computer, the engine control module. So they could, in fact, be put in either location. I didn't really like that, but if you don't mess with the wiring too bad, and by the way you pull the ECM out and the way it's got to go back in, you figure out the plugs that are there that only have one location, and then you can see which end those plugs go in. That Jeffrey is now fighting the
blue one.
yeah, it's fighting his
Of
memory.
course, the last one gives you the most. Oh, there it goes.
Get it? Got it all?
There we go.
Everything all hooked up?
Yep.
Is that correct?
Yep.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Only one way.
Only one way to find out now, brother.
That's for sure.
Only one way to find out now.
Hold on.
Can you move that panel in the back? Is there something else plugged into it?
Nope.
Good man. Or at least the passenger seat or something.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And you're going to need to hit the clutch pedal probably.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to hook up the battery.
There we go.
All righty. I'm going to hook up the battery. Yeah, don't put that in there yet. Nope. Okay.
Yep.
We got something? Nothing?
Nothing.
How's the dash look? The same? All the lights and everything come on?
No.
Huh?
No.
Nothing came on?
Nothing.
And you can't get the key to turn?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me see Is the battery dead? Battery ain't dead, is it?
Should be.
No, we unplugged it.
Uh-huh.
Well, turn the headlights on. Nope.
Anything?
Nope. Hit the lock, unlock on the key. Nothing on the dash, nothing?
Nope. Should I switch some wires around? Maybe.
No, that's a good possibility.
That's what I'm saying.
Again, I don't know. I weren't here.
Well,
Got the key out?
yep.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's the way it goes.
That's the way it goes, huh?
Yeah, there's only one way.
Well, there you go. All right. Well,
Do we need to...
put the key in.
Does this need to be grounded?
I don't
Does this
think
need to
so.
be grounded somewhere? If it's not, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's good. That's a good possibility on the fuse box. We should have a power coming. Yeah, we got the main power coming in. Yeah, screw that in and see if that doesn't help us at all.
Right, sure. Sure.
You know where it goes?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Yeah, just one screw or
There's one.
just one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Just one that holds that whole fuse box in?
Is it? I don't know. That's okay. Sure. Why is it not wanting to?
Oh, why is it countersunk and there's a...
Right? Unbelievable. Right? Something like that.
Not even close. There you go.
You got it.
Called teamwork right there.
Yeah, boy. It's going.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
We'll call it.
Okay. Put the
Okay.
key in.
See if it's any
See
different.
if we got anything. We can have something light up on the dash.
Nope.
And no turn on the key.
Still.
Huh. Okay, pull the key out. Hit the locks.
Nope.
Well, that would lead me to believe we don't have any power out there, Jeffrey. Why do we not have power out there?
Try to plug this back in. See if it does anything. It might. You know. Might not. Who knows?
Plug down. Push the tab. Push the tab on the top of the plug, and it'll come down. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you got her.
Yep.
All right.
Was it? Ah. Ha. Yep. I thought there was two plugs.
We're gonna hook the battery
Okay.
back up out here
There we
to
go.
the old buzz box. And see if it's just so we don't have any. Whoa, what was that?
What?
I got some spark to jump out here from the battery box.
Oh.
And I don't even have I don't even
that
have it
good?
turned on yet.
Is that good?
So we should have something going on in there here like in a couple seconds. Okay.
Oh.
Nothing?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
There we go.
There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Is the key turning?
Ready?
Huh?
Ready?
Yeah, I've been ready.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
What? Does
Kinda.
the key turn?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the key to turn now?
Yeah.
Got the dash to come on?
Yep.
Got your foot on the
Yep.
and still nothing.
Nothing.
Was the dash lights pretty bright? Like they were?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh.
Nothing.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. Huh.
Huh.
So we're right back where we were.
Kinda.
I mean,
But we knocked that off the list, though.
We did knock that off the list,
It's not
right?
not the problem, apparently.
It's not the problem.
You know, it could be.
Yeah, I do a lot of things. Anyway, here you go.
The
Grab
starter.
the camera for a second.
This is what's wrong.
Huh? That's well. Stop it. Stop it. So you got a 12-volt source up there, right? Red wire in the dash by the stereo.
You want this?
Yeah, you need to hook that up to that red wire, but we're not going to do that yet.
No.
Unless you can protect it so it doesn't spark or cast anything up there.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
Okay.
What
so
wire was it?
Huh? The red wire.
Red and blue?
Nope, solid red.
Solid red. No. I don't see a solid red. Or was it orange?
Oh, man. Oh, the hell was that?
Easy.
Huh?
Easy.
What?
What'd you do?
I didn't do shit.
What'd you do?
What happened?
I don't know.
What did it do?
What?
What happened?
What happened?
I don't know. Are you sitting on the key?
No.
Did you hit the lock?
Huh?
Hit the lock and unlock. All right. Yeah, we know that's working. So
Sure.
put the key in the ignition again. And put foot down on the clutch. You sure you're going to the start position?
Yep. We'll hold that a second. Okay. Now.
Yeah, you only get once.
Yeah.
You have to turn it off and. All right.
Nope.
Okay. So. Yeah, that wire. Right there. That's sticking up.
That one?
Yeah.
That's red and blue.
Oh, is it red and blue?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Let's make sure we got 12 volts there still. Let's go grab the test. Do we have the tester out here? No, it's in the shop. I'll be right
In
back.
the shop, I believe.
Huh?
In the shop?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Make sure the light works. Yep. Light works. All righty. Find a good ground. And then, whoops, sorry. Got my fingers all over the camera there. Yeah. My bad. Yeah, so let's find a good ground somewhere. Find 12 volts up there. There it is. Okay.
Yep.
So go ahead and twist that red wire to that red and blue wire. But don't let the other end touch any metal. Probably just sit on it there. There you go. Okay. All righty. Yeah, you hold that one. And let me flip up the back seat here. Right here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Critter.
Really?
No.
Don't say that.
That was rotting at me right there. Jeffrey's definitely afraid of critters. Aren't you, Jeffrey?
I'm fully in the car.
Which one of these plugs does what?
That's a good idea. Good question.
That's a good question.
I don't know.
This one's got a heavy ground and a blue and a black. I want to say that these ones are low voltage over here, so those are going to be gauges or something like that. So, all right, let me have that red wire and I'm going to hand you the camera. Okay. All right, key on.
Nope. No. Key's on.
Okay. We sure we got 12 volts on this thing?
Sure.
Hit the test light again. What are you doing up there? You got it? Tell me you're making contact.
Yep.
All right, we got nothing here. But I don't know that we don't have, do we have power there still? Take the test light and check, make sure I got power in my red wire here. You
Yep.
got power?
Yep.
Okay, let me see if I got power back here. I'm gonna make sure. I'm pretty sure I do, but let me make sure. Let me make absolute sure. How's that? Huh?
Are you?
I don't know.
Of course you don't.
Yep, I got power.
Okay.
Okay, so I just checked these three right here, or these four right here. I got nothing, Jeffrey.
Why not?
Nothing off of that pump. So, is that not the right plug? And this one is? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, I have gray, red, and green. Red and green is this one right here. I'm just probing around in here. If I can hit something. I got nothing.
Why not?
Anywhere in there, Jeffrey. Nothing.
Unbelievable.
So it's a good possibility
What?
that we do have a bad pump. That is a possibility now.
Hmm.
That is a possibility.
Would it be worth replacing?
Huh?
Would it be worth replacing? Maybe.
Go ahead and undo that red wire up there so we can protect.
Yep.
Well,
Maybe.
I don't really know. I mean, yeah,
Okay.
maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, Jeffrey. What
Yep.
we got on the dash there? Same stuff as before?
Yep.
How many faults?
$61 degrees out, it says.
All right. Does it say 61 degrees out?
Uh-huh.
What? No, that ain't right.
62.
That ain't right. I wish. It's not bad out here today, though.
It's the wind chill. How do you get to the faults?
Turn the key off, pull it out, and it'll tell you.
Oh. 2 faults.
2 faults, okay. So, probably what we need to do, Jeffrey, is punch in that, put that Vinx in again,
Yeah.
and
Check that.
yeah, get my my passcode for that,
Yep.
and load that up on my phone so that I can see if it's going to tell us anything.
Yeah.
And that's probably what we need. We probably need the computer to start telling us what it needs here.
At least something.
Something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I would like to have heard something go boo on that pump back there,
Right.
but it didn't. So, probably worth pulling it out and checking it out, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, on the bench, we could test it better.
Right.
At least see what's down there, right?
Yeah.
And then go from there. But all righty. Well, what do you say? We call this one good for now, Jeffrey, and we'll get back after it when we
Maybe get back.
we have we have a little more defined plan.
Yep.
All righty. Well, again, we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys when we jump out here. I don't know if this is gonna be part of another video or next video or whatever, but
Probably its own.
Yeah, probably gonna be part of the next one, right? Or another one. Anyway, I don't know what Jeffrey's gonna do. He'll edit this however it needs to be edited. But we need to get some content out here today. We pull the switch out, put it back in, and nothing's any better yet.
Yep.
So it's not fixed, and it's not different.
Well,
It's the same. Well, okay.
I mean,
the
we
dash
got
is
that
different.
plug cleaned out. So
Yeah, we got that plug. Yeah, let's see. Do you get the lights now?
Something. Is there
Yeah,
anything?
yeah, we got headlights.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
we
that's
got
good.
headlights.
That's good.
All right.
Well,
Okay. Well, let's call her quits.
yeah.
Yep. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed the content, which wasn't really a whole lot this time, we know, but we will see y'all again. Please hit the like button, the subscribe if you haven't already, and
Comment down below what you might.
comment down below. We've had some comments already. The EIS was one of them, so we pulled that and checked it. Didn't see anything bad in there. Does that mean it's not bad? I don't know. At least at this point, it's we didn't see any smoking guns in there
that we know of.
Yeah, so I'm hesitant to replace the EIS.
Maybe.
Yeah, not knowing whether it's good or bad or not.
Exactly.
But I will say we'll take a look at that fuel pump. We did run 12 volts back there, and we ran across a couple plugs, and we got nothing. So that's worth a look anyway.
It is.
A lot closer look. So
Yep.
yeah. But anyway, until then, thank you guys, and thanks for coming along on this journey. And it's going to be a journey.
It is.